I'm really enjoying reading your posts regarding your organizational charts. Isn't it amazing how a dry topic like organizational structure really does have an impact on the spiritual side of the organization? I think it's a great example of how every area of the transforming system that you're seeing on the screen right now and that we're studying during this course has an impact on every other area. Your organizational charts are in that organizational design box, but they have an impact on the mission, on the vision, which is in the spirituality box, and on relationships. It really does impact every other area. Your original threads are due tonight. Your replies are due by Saturday. Also, hopefully you've noticed I've lightened the load for you this week and next in hopes of you really being able to focus on your interviews and really glean some information from other experts in the field. I know each of you are in that field as well, but I want you to hear and glean from others. So I'm here for you. If you need me, let me know. And I'm really enjoying working with you. Have a blessed day.